How are you doing today? आप अच्छे से अपना ध्यान रख रहे हैं ना? Very good. Welcome to Numeracy Skillbook and Workbook from Learn Forward. Hi kids, feather cap. Let's start our new chapter. And these are also number names. हमने previous exercise में भी number names पढ़े थे और अब हम पढ़ेंगे from 21 to 30. 21 to 30 means spelling of 21, 22, 23 till 30. So this is 21, 22. आपको 20 की spelling याद करनी है. 1, 2, 3, 4 की आती ही है. So what is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. आगे O-N-E 1. Again T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 2. T-W-E-N-T-Y 23. T-W-E-N 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And what is the spelling of 30? T-H-I-R-T-Y. This is 30. मतलब 30. अगर आप इन्हें काउंट करेंगे तो ये है 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30 strawberries. So, learn the spellings. आपको 20 की याद करनी है. 1, 2, 3, 4 की तो आपको आती है. चलिए, let's do the exercise of this. Match the numbers with their correct number names. Okay. Let's match with green color. 21. Where is 21? Here it is. T-W-E-N-T-Y 22. Where is 22? Here. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 is already done and 30, 30. Okay. So, let's do the next exercise. Each basket has 10 tomatoes. Count and write the number their number name. अब दोनों basket में 10 tomatoes है. So 10 tomatoes plus 10 tomatoes become 20 tomatoes. And one more tomato means 21 tomatoes. You will write the spelling of 21. T-W-E-N-T-Y-O-N-E 1. Okay. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 2, 22. You will write the spelling by your own. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 3, 23. Write the spelling of 23. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 4, 24. Write the spelling of 24. 10 plus 10, 20 and 5, 25. So, this is the 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Learn the spellings and write in the blank. This is your homework. Till then, what you have to do? Oh, we have one more exercise. 10 plus 10, 20 and 6, 26. 10 plus 10, 20 and 7 tomatoes, 27 tomatoes. 20 and 8, 28 tomatoes. 29 tomatoes, and these are 10 plus 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30, 30. And what is the spelling of 30? T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. Okay. So, do this exercise very neatly and learn the spelling thoroughly. Till then, happy learning.